Hey y'all, welcome back to Natara Space. I am Natara, and today I am going to be back here in this classroom. I'm going to get it all done, you guys. I didn't do anything back here last week because I was a little under the weather. I had the flu and I was trying to recover, so I'm going to get back here and get it all clean. The kids did the best that they could, you guys, but I'm going to get back here and dust, wipe off the surfaces with Clorox, with some kind of cleaner that's going to kill germs, and then put everything back into place, you guys. So if this is something that you're interested in, I ask that you continue to watch. And also, you guys, for the ones who don't know me, I am Natara, and over here I like to do cooking, cleaning, organizing, and I will do a decor every now and again. And then on Wednesdays nights I like to do Wednesday night prayer. So if that's something that you're interested in, please consider subscribing to my channel. I would love to have you as a part of my YouTube family. So yeah, with that being said, you guys, let's get into this video. Okay guys, this is what the classroom is looking like. The trash needs to be emptied. The keyboard is dusty, so I'm going to wipe this down. You know, all of these instruments and stuff, I'm going to get in here and wipe them down. We have paper on the floor. We need to wipe down Xavier's desk. And then right here, you guys, this is where he has placed all of his books for the week. So we're going to get in here and get that all, you know, put back in its proper place. And we're going to get this shelf, you guys, taken care of. It is a mess. And I'm going to get in here and get it all done. It's not a lot, so yeah. This is Jada's side as well. I'm going to get that wiped down. And I'm going to attempt to wipe these drums. So let's get it, y'all.
You think that I should calm down, and that I'm overthinking everything about you, and that we're good the way we are. But I don't know that much about you, what things you like and what you don't. It's not that long since I met you for the first time. You know we should work it out. You know we should work it out. Before I'm too invested, I should probably ask you all my questions, get to know you better. Like, can you be trusted? Will you take me for granted? And will you love me down? I know I'm feeling something for you. The way you look, the way you laugh, and how you move. It kinda makes me go crazy. But we should take it slow, work things out so you don't let me go. When I come real close, I don't wanna get hurt, 'cause I'm not ready to give you my heart yet. Before I'm too invested, I should probably ask you all my questions, get to know you better. Like, can you be trusted? Will you take me for granted? And will you love me down? Before I'm too invested, we should take it easy. Maybe we could test this and work out our feelings. Baby, will I love you? Tell me, do you want me? And will you let me down? Yeah. La 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 la. I'm too invested, I should probably ask you all my questions, get to know you better. Like, can you be trusted? Will you take me for granted? And will you let me down before I'm too invested? You should take it easy. Maybe we could test this and work out our feelings. Maybe when I love you, tell me, do you want me? And will you let me down? I was looking like a fool when I met ya, all covered up in the dirt from my past. So insecure by myself when I met ya. Won't you give me any warning? I've been thinking about you day and night and day and night. To be honest, I just don't know what to do next. Cause I'm the one with a broken heart, waiting for you to come out and save me. I'm a mess, need to untangle, and I'm a fool for you, baby. Fool for you, baby. Waiting for you to come out and save me. Fool for you. You were making me so sure in a heartbeat. All of my doubts disappearing at last. You made me fall without saying a sentence. Won't you give me any warning? I've been thinking about you day and night and day and night. To be honest, I just don't know what to do next. Cause I'm the one with a broken heart, waiting for you to come out and save me. I'm a mess, need to untangle, and I'm a fool for you, baby. Fool for you, baby. Waiting for you to come out and save me. Fool for you. I know it isn't logical. That something that you do to me is chemical. I know it isn't logical. Something that you do to me. I'm the one with a broken heart, waiting for you to come out and save me. I'm a mess, need to untangle, and I'm a fool for you, baby. Fool for you, baby. Waiting for you to come out and save me. Fool for you. Let me feel your love again. Cause I've been running round in circles, screaming out your name. Take me to a different place. Just the two of us, and we can stay up all night, kissing under streetlights, doing what we want to, doing what we need to do, staying up all night. Everything is alright. Oh, I wanna be with you. Oh, I wanna be with you. Let me be that someone.